Hello there. Welcome back to the studio. In today's session, we'll be painting 2 chickens from Tabletop World's Altburg Market Farmer Stall, using the colors of the Plymouth Rock and Rhode Island Red breeds. Along the way, we'll also talk about these popular chicken breeds from the 19th century. To reproduce the color scheme of a Plymouth Rock chicken on our miniature model, we'll start by painting the bird with a light gray base coat to represent the pale tones of its feathers. Once dry, we'll apply a darker tone of gray to create shadows before applying an off-white dry brushing. We'll then use a fine-tipped brush to apply alternating black stripes across the body to create the characteristic barred pattern. We'll add subtle details with dark gray to accentuate the edges of the stripes and create depth. We'll finally paint the beak and comb in yellow, orange, and red respectively. The Plymouth Rock is a historic American chicken breed that originated in New England in the early 19th century, likely developed by crossing the Dominique with other breeds like the Cochin and Java. Known for its distinctive barred feather pattern, which alternates black and white stripes, the Plymouth Rock is a medium-sized, dual-purpose bird prized for both its egg-laying and meat production. Hens are reliable layers, producing 200 to 280 brown eggs annually, while roosters provide tender, flavorful meat. With a calm, friendly temperament, Plymouth Rocks are easy to handle and well-suited for backyard flocks. Hardy in cold climates and able to free range, they require less maintenance than many modern commercial breeds. Though they were once a mainstay on farms, today they are celebrated as a heritage breed, valued for their sustainability, resilience, and ornamental beauty, making them a popular choice among those who raise chickens for both practical and aesthetic purposes. To replicate the color scheme of a Rhode Island Red chicken on our miniature model, we start with a mahogany base coat to represent the bird's rich reddish-brown feathers. We'll also apply flat brown to add shading and depth. Once dry, we'll then dry brush over the raised areas to create texture. We'll also highlight the outer edges of the feathers with a lighter red or orange-brown to enhance the shine. Finally, we'll paint the beak in yellow-orange and the comb and wattles in bright red for contrast. The Rhode Island Red is a highly regarded American chicken breed, known for its hardiness, reliable egg production, and dual-purpose utility. Originating in Rhode Island in the 1800s, it was developed by crossing several breeds, including the Malay and Plymouth Rock, to create a robust bird suitable for both eggs and meat. With its rich red plumage, the Rhode Island Red is a medium to large-sized chicken that can lay up to 250 to 300 large brown eggs per year, making it one of the most consistent layers, even in colder weather. The breed is known for its hardiness, thriving in both hot and cold climates, and its friendly, though occasionally assertive, temperament. Though it was originally bred for both meat and eggs, it is most prized today for its egg-laying capabilities. Easy to manage and self-sufficient, Rhode Island Reds are a popular choice for backyard flocks and small-scale farms, where they excel in providing sustainable, year-round egg production. We hope you've enjoyed this short painting session. In the next video of this series, we'll take a retrospective look at the Tabletop World models we've painted throughout the year. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep on painting, and take care!